Oh my gosh, what the heck could be in this box? Probably like maybe a bunch of socks or something.
Did you say you wanted new socks?
No way.
Hmm.
I'm thinking undies.
It's getting cold out. Socks. Maybe yeah. Maybe new undies. There you go.
No, not the undies. I hate the undies. Not like clean.
Scissor time? Hold on, where I set my scissors.
Right over there.
You see them?
Yeah.
Not like that.
I had to find
We
the
gotta open this
scissors.
big box full of
I've
socks.
got a big box of dirty laundry.
There's lots of different color socks.
I think that's definitely not white. That smells like cotton.
Bless you. Bless you.
Then I will put it in until whipped.
Bless you. Woo!
Sneeze on the birthday
use-
party. Thank you for the selfless cleaning everything.
You're welcome. Oh boy, what is this?
Yeah.
When we're done with the cake, we'll be able to clean it off and have it display.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, is this a trick? They put a box.
Another
inside the
box? Maybe it's just a bunch of boxes.
Oh, happy birthday, here's your box.
Whoa.
Here then.
What's the picture on the side?
Oh, what's
There's a picture on the side.
this?
It has an airplane on it.
Whoa. That was lucky. Let's,
Probably like an
Airplanes.
American airline or something. Huh?
yeah, maybe FedEx. Is that a FedEx plane?
Oh, it's only an airplane. I know it is. Selfless.
It's the big.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that one's so big.
I see some huge wings.
Oh, yeah.
Is that what we wanted? Is that the one?
Yes.
Whoa! I didn't think they made them that big.
I'm surprised. It's bigger than I expected, Daddy.
Wow, Jetty, pretty cool. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Love you.
Love you.